in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can switch your Instagram account from professional account to personal account. So I had earlier switched my account to professional, and as you can see, my account is here. To switch it back to personal, go ahead and tap on this icon here, displaying your profile, and it will take you to this menu. So once you're here, click over these three lines to go to your menu settings. Under this, scroll down until you get to this section called For Professionals. Under this, choose the option called Creator Tools and Controls. If you tap on it, scroll down until you see the option called Switch Account Type. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll be presented with these two options, either to switch to business account or to switch to personal account. Because I'm currently holding a business account and I want to switch to personal account, I'll choose switch to personal account, and immediately I have to confirm it here, switch to personal account. I'll click on it, and this will go ahead and switch my professional account to personal account. And as you can see, the switch has happened. And now if I go back, now I have my personal account back. So that's how you switch your account from professional account to personal account on your Instagram. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.